Very welcome to the computer classes and syllabus of computer science. Now in advanced computer programming, distributed programming, introduction, simple lock, bounded butter, message passing services, distributed lock services, distributed lock using timestamps, object transfer services, object transfer using path reversal, distributed shared memory service, a single copy distribution shared memory, a multi-copy distributed shared memory. Next, Java programming concepts, reflection, boxing and unboxing, object serialization and deserialization, important Java utility, classes, a string, tokenizer, observable, Java collection, framework, linked list, array list, sets, hash sets, tree sets, hash map, trees map, vector stack, dictionary, hash table, iterators, SOA and programming. What is service? Role use of service in cloud-based environment, service orchestration and distribution, introduction to RMI, remote method innovation, SOAP, servlet, WSDL, developing web service using Java, introduction to enterprise Java, beans, EJB, concept of entity beans, message beans and session beans with one example each of word count program. Web programming, HTML and JavaScript programming, embedded JS in HTML handling, events, variables in JS, creating object using JS operators, control flow statement functions, JDBC, JSP, web architecture models, MVC, architecture models, advantage of JSP over servlet, tag based approach, JSP architecture, JSP life cycle, creating simple JSP page, JSTL, JDBC features, JDBC APTs, JDBC class and interfaces, implementing JDBC process with MongoDB system, JS collection for MongoDB Ajax, creating simple AJAX application, document object model, JS and Ajax, implementing Ajax frameworks, Hadoop programming, data science in memory analytics in database processing, symmetric multiprocessing system SMP, massively parallel processing, difference between parallel and distributed system, shared memory, shared disk, shared nothing architecture, SNP, advantage of SNA, CFA theorem, SQL, new SQL features and advantage of Hadoop ecosystem, RDMS versus Hadoop, Hadoop distribution, HDFC, demos, file read, file write, Hadoop YARN, YARN, word count program, advanced tools, techniques and applications, processing data with Hadoop, map reduce, demos, concept of mapper, reducer, combiner, partitioner, searching and sorting using map reduce, working an example, word count map reduce programming using Java, MongoDB and map reduce functions, pig features, anatomic pig on Hadoop, STL processing data type and complex data type in pig, interaction batch model, execution modes of pigs, local and MapReduce modes, SDFC command, relational operators, EVAL function, UDF parameters, substitution, diagnostics operators, word count. Example: using data mining techniques and application. Introduction: knowledge of data processing, data mining. Describe need, kinds of pattern and technology issue in mining. KDD is data mining. In data mining, machine learning concept. OLAP: knowledge representation, data pre-processing, cleaning, integration, reduction, transformation and discretization. Application with mining aspect. Example like weather production. Concept of frequent patterns, association and correlation. Market basket analysis, frequent item set, close item set and association rules. Mining multi-level association rules. Constraint based associating rule. Mining a priori algorithm, Figueroa algorithm. Classification. Introduction: classification requirements, method of supervised learning, decision trees, attribute selection trees, tree pruning, ID3, scalable decision tree techniques, rule extraction from decision tree, regression based classification based theorem, Naive Bayes classification matrix for performance evaluation, KNN approach with case study. Clustering, cluster analysis, distance measure, partitioning method, K-means, K-methodology, hierarchical method, single link compatibility. Compatibility link, centroid, average link, agglomerative method. Text and web mining. Text mining, text data analysis and information retrieval. Dimensionality reduction for text. Feature vector, bag of words, TF, IDF. Text mining approaches. Web mining, introduction, web content mining, web page usage mining, web structure mining, web crawlers. Reinforcement learning and big data mining. Introduction to reinforcement and holistic learning, multi-perspective decision making for big data and multi-perspective learning, advanced techniques for big data mining. Problem solving with gamification. Gaming foundation. Introduction, resetting behavior, replaying history, gaming foundation, fun quotient, evolution by loyalty, status at the wheel, the house always wins, developing thinking, reframing content, communicology, apparatus and post history. Concept applied. Concept applied to video games and gamification. Rethinking, playing the game with Jacques Henriot to play against. Describing competition in gamification, player motivation, powerful human motivation, player types, social games, intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation, progression of mastery, case studies for thinking, Tower of Hanoi. Opponent moves in gamification, reclaiming of position, counter gamification, game agencies, effectively modeling our screen and app based digital futures, remodeling design, game machines, design of engagement, case study of match problem. Game design, game mechanics and dynamics, feedback and reinforcement, game mechanics in depth, putting it together, case study of 8 queens problem. Advanced tools, techniques, gamification case studies, coding, basic game mechanics, advanced tool techniques and application, instant gamification platforms, Mambo.io installation and use of big doors, open source, http://bigdo.com, ONT gamification server, http://github.com/n/gage/oint/gamification server.